Tucked in the hills of Orange County, there's a short trail that most people drive right past. Climate and Orange County opens up around you in almost every direction. And at the very top stand two towering landmarks that are doing far more than just sitting here. This is the Camino Grande Water Tower Trail. This is a short trail that starts on the Camino Grande Road, where you can park in the neighborhood where we parked on Peridot Place, and it's a short walk to start. So this trail is an out and back, meaning that it takes you on the same path up and back down, and it's on the shorter side, only a little under 3 miles with about a 500-foot elevation gain. It's really beautiful, and you'll be one of the only people on this hike. So super peaceful if you're wanting to get a little bit of exercise and a nice view for it. We came out here in January, which honestly might be the best time to do it, when everything's about as green as it gets all year. Make sure you're not going though right after it rains, because it will get pretty muddy. So this trail starts off with a steady incline. There are 6 switchbacks before you reach the neighborhood section of the hike, and that first stretch takes about 15 minutes. It's nothing too hard, it's just gradual, and once you finish those 6 switchbacks, make sure to take a look back and you'll see OC open up right behind you. Once you hit the first house, you're literally behind somebody's backyard. You're gonna pass about 5 or 6 houses from here, and eventually you will make it to the gravel road. So once you hit the gravel road, this is actually a great spot to do a little bit of backwards walking. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk, and walking backwards at an incline is actually really good for building strength around the knees. So after a few minutes on the gravel road, you'll start seeing the huge water tanks that give this trail its name. The water tanks seem kind of random, right? So why are they here? So these water tanks are actually sitting at the top of the ridge, and the real reason they are placed there is because of gravity. So you might be used to seeing water towers that are standing on the top of legs in flatter towns, but up here they're just put flat on the floor. And this is because the hill is the tower. So up high, the tanks actually use the elevation to pressurize the water to flow down to the homes that they provide water for. So there are no pumps needed, and the water keeps running even during a power outage. And it's also something that is used to store water in case of emergencies in the fires that may happen in Orange County. One thing to know before you come is there's almost no shade here, so even in January with the little jacket on, the sun is direct and piercing. So in the summer, this will be absolutely brutal, so make sure to always bring a lot of water, some sunglasses, a hat, and make sure to always apply sunscreen. So as we continue onwards for a few minutes, this is actually where we're gonna start seeing the best views of the hike. So you go for about 10 to 15 minutes and you're gonna see Orange County open up in all directions. We walked past for about 10-15 minutes. We passed the second water tank and we saw that there was a paved road heading left, running out along the power line. So naturally we thought this was where we should go. Keeps going for a few minutes and you see an enclosed area where there looks to be a smaller water tank, but we couldn't access that and couldn't see what was there. We walked down the route and there's a gate and some construction down here, but it's not a through route. We did try to see what was down there, but it looks like there's just a ton of construction and they may be opening this up to connect to the highway. So we thought it was worth it for a peek for the view, but the real trail actually turns back at the tanks, and so we doubled back. So other than the beach hikes, this is probably one of the best view hikes that I've done in Orange County, just because you don't often get to see the vistas, the 360 views of the area. So if you don't want to drive all the way to the coast, this is a great option to get some exercise in and some great views of the neighborhood. So since the trail is an out and back, you're gonna head down the same way you came, but it's a different walk in the other direction and it's mostly downhill from here. So this hike is worth it if you are in the area, you want something quick, you want something with pretty good views of Orange County, and you want different types of terrain in terms of dirt road, gravel road, and then more dirt road. It's actually really nice just to have an area to yourself that you can get a little bit of elevation in the neighborhood that actually has quite good vistas. We are doing lots of different hikes either around LA or Orange County coming up. So if you enjoyed this video, there's going to be a ton more exploring the area. So stick around, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one.